Nature Jadd here.
Coming to you from Mars, what used to be my backyard, but is now an alien hellscape. From a fever dream I had as a kid after watching Dreamscape. I know that's a lot of scapes, just like garlic has scapes. Garlic that used to grow here, but now is alien onions, peppers, and Martian tomatoes. Now, legend has it that the world is burning and that things can change in an instant. So love one another, help your neighbor, and hopefully we make it out of this alive. That being said, Nature Jadd has asthma, and Nature Jadd has rebounded and didn't die. The tomato saved him. Give a hoot, don't pollute, and goodbye.